Hello friends, I'm going to discuss lesson number 16 of CMA Inter Financial Management Capital Structure. Okay, please read the questionnaire. Illustration number 16. Illustration number 16. A company currently operating income rupees 4 lakh. Operating income that equal to EBIT. EBIT rupees 4 lakh. The firm has a 10 lakh debts, 10% debt. Outstanding, its cost of equity is 15%. Cost of equity 15%. Determine the current value of the firm using traditional approach. You have to find the traditional approach. So how will you calculate the traditional approach? First you have to find value of the equity, and thereafter value of the debt is already given. Adding this you will get the value of the firm. Calculation of value of firm using traditional approach. Traditional approach. EBIT rupees 4 lakh less interest, 10% of rupees 10 lakh, 1 lakh. This is earning for equity. Earning for equity rupees 3 lakh. Cost of equity, we have already cost of equity 15%. Now value of equity, value of equity, value of equity equal to, suppose this is A and this is your B. A divided by B, that is earning for equity divided by cost of equity. Value of equity is earning for equity divided by cost of equity. Earning for equity is 3 lakh divided by 15%. This is rupees 20 lakh. This is rupees 20 lakh. Now value of debt is already given. Value of debt, value of debt in question, it is given 10 lakh. If it is given 10 lakh, total value, value of firm, this is suppose P and this is the Q. Total value of firm is a P plus Q, that is the value of the equity plus value of debt is the value of the firm. This is rupees 30 lakh. Total value of the firm is a 30 lakh. First part answer is completed. In second part, calculate overall capitalization rate as well as both type of leverages ratio. Borrowing to the shareholder, borrowing of the value of the firm. Capitalization ratio, overall capitalization ratio, that is a weighted average cost of capital. Answer of second part, overall capitalization ratio. Overall capitalization ratio, that is weighted average cost of capital. That is the weighted average cost of capital. Formula of this is EBIT divided by value of firm, value of firm into 100. In the question, EBIT is already given 4 lakh rupees and value of the firm is given 30 lakh into 100. this is 13.33%. This is 13.33% is overall capitalization ratio. Thereafter, as well as both type of leverages ratio, this is a borrowing to the shareholder, this is the borrowing to the value of the firm, this ratio we have to calculate. Now, ratio as well as types of leverages ratio. Leverages ratio we have to calculate. The first leverages ratio is borrowing to shareholder ratio, that is BS ratio. So borrowing capital that is a debt capital divided by shareholders fund into 100. Total borrowing fund is 10 lakh. How total borrowing fund is 10 lakh? Please look at it. Borrowing fund is 10 lakh here at the rate of 10%. Debt funds, and shareholder fund we have already calculated here 20 lakh. Shareholder funds we have already calculated 20 lakh. And value of the firm is calculated 30 lakh. This is 20 lakh. That is 0.50. Now, this is the first part. Now the second part. Borrowing to value of the firm ratio. That is borrowing to V ratio. In this case, borrowing divided by value of the firm. Borrowing, already we know that this is a 10 lakh divided by 30 lakh, 0.33. In this way, this question is completed. Okay, thank you class.